E-commerce has revolutionized the way we shop. It allows consumers to purchase goods and services online from the comfort of their homes. With the rise of e-commerce, dropshipping has emerged as a popular business model. It offers a low-risk way to start an online store. Dropshipping is appealing because you don't need to hold inventory. Instead, you partner with suppliers who ship products directly to customers. This model reduces upfront costs and simplifies logistics. Starting an e-commerce business can be lucrative. It provides flexibility and the potential for high profits. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a beginner, understanding e-commerce and dropshipping is crucial. This guide will walk you through the basics and help you get started. Stay tuned for more insights and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates and tips on e-commerce and dropshipping. E-commerce comes in various forms. The most common models are B2B, B2C, and C2C. B2B stands for business to business. This is when companies sell products or services to other companies. Examples include wholesale suppliers and manufacturers. B2C means business to consumer. This is the traditional retail model where businesses sell directly to individual customers. Online stores like Amazon and eBay are prime examples of B2C e-commerce. C2C stands for consumer to consumer. In this model, consumers sell products or services to other consumers. Platforms like eBay and Craigslist facilitate C2C transactions. Each e-commerce model has its own advantages and challenges. Understanding these models helps you choose the best approach for your business. Whether you opt for B2B, B2C, or C2C, the core principles of e-commerce remain the same. Dropshipping differs from traditional e-commerce in several ways. In traditional e-commerce, you buy inventory up front and store it until sold. Dropshipping eliminates the need to hold inventory. You only purchase products when a customer places an order. This model has several advantages. First, it requires less capital. Second, it reduces risk. Third, it simplifies logistics. However, dropshipping has its downsides. Profit margins can be lower due to supplier fees. You also have less control over product quality and shipping times. Despite these challenges, dropshipping remains a viable option for many entrepreneurs. Setting up an online store involves several steps. First, choose a platform. Popular e-commerce platforms include Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. Each platform has its own features and pricing. Select one that best suits your needs. Next, pick a domain name. Your domain name is your store's address on the web. Once you have a domain, design your website. Focus on creating a user-friendly and mobile-ready design. Add essential features like product pages, a shopping cart, and a secure checkout process. Section 5. Market research for trending products. Finding the right products to sell is crucial. Start by conducting market research. Tools like Google Trends can help you identify popular products, analyze search trends to see what people are looking for. Social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are also useful. Look for trending hashtags and popular posts. Consider seasonal trends and evaluate demand and competition. Choose a niche with high demand and low competition. This increases your chances of success. Section 6. Finding reliable suppliers. Finding reliable suppliers is key to a successful dropshipping business. Start by researching potential suppliers. Platforms like AliExpress and Oberlo are popular choices. They offer a wide range of products and reliable shipping options. Consider factors like product quality, shipping times, and customer reviews. Look for suppliers with high ratings and positive feedback. Building a good relationship with your supplier is important. Communicate clearly and establish mutual trust. Consider ordering samples before committing to a supplier. This allows you to assess product quality firsthand. Reliable suppliers can make or break your dropshipping business. Take the time to find the right partners. Section 7. Digital marketing basics. Digital marketing is essential for driving traffic to your online store. Start with search engine optimization or SEO. Optimize your website for search engines to improve visibility, use relevant keywords, and create high-quality content. Social media marketing is also important. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter can help you reach a larger audience. Paid ads can further boost your reach. Email marketing is another effective strategy. Offer promotions and updates to keep customers engaged. A strong digital marketing strategy can significantly increase your sales. Section 8. Managing orders and exceptional customer service. Efficient order management is crucial. Use tools to track orders and automate processes. Update inventory in real time to prevent overselling. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and professionally. Provide clear shipping times and return policies. Handle returns efficiently and process refunds quickly. Exceptional customer service leads to repeat business and referrals. Section 9. Recap and encouragement to start. Starting an e-commerce business can be rewarding. Understanding the basics of e-commerce and dropshipping is the first step. We've discussed different e-commerce models, the benefits of dropshipping, and how to set up an online store. Market research, finding reliable suppliers, and effective digital marketing are crucial components. Now is the time to take action. Use the knowledge you've gained to start your e-commerce journey. With dedication and effort, you can build a profitable online store. Begin today and turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Our motive is to empower our youth. Support us by subscribing.